Yes, good morning children. Yesterday I have given maths revision. Have you learnt it? Yes, today we are going to write EVS revision children. Everybody open fresh page in EVS classwork. Put today's date and day. What is today's date children? Today is 27-2-21. What is the date today? 27-2-21. What is the day? Today is Saturday children. Today is Saturday. 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 Okay? Start writing. Answer the answer A and S W R. Answer the following. 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 Answer the following questions. QUESTIONS questions. QUESTIONS questions. Answer the following questions. What is the first question children? What is WHAT what? IS is reproduction. REPRO repro DUCTION. What is reproduction? Yes children, what is reproduction? Reproduction is a process. Reproduction is the process. By which living things produce of their own kind. Yes, reproduction is the process by which living things produce of their own kind. Reproduction is the process by which living things produce of their own kind. Yes. Second question. Here you write same of their own kind. Yes. Define. Leave one line after the first question answer and write the second one. Define occupation. Yes. Occupation is a work that done to earn money. Occupation is the work done to earn money. Occupation is the work done to earn money. What is occupation children? Occupation is the work done to earn money. Occupation is the work done to earn money. Occupation is the work done to earn money. Name the Neptune, Neptune and Pluto, and Pluto. Name the planets of the solar system, children. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Yes, let's see the spelling of Mercury now. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter. Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N. Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N. Saturn. Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. And Pluto. P-L-U-T-O. Pluto. P-L-U-T-O. Pluto. These are the 9 planets of the solar system. Yes, how many planets? These are the 9 planets of the solar system. Leave one line, children. Each and every question answer. How many senses? How many senses do we have? How many senses do we have? Name them. Name them. Yes? What is the answer? We have 5 senses. How many senses do we have, children? Here you write how many sense organs do we have, children? Yes, you write how many sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Yes, how many sense organs do we have? Name them. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. We have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have, children? We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. What is reproduction, children? Reproduction is the process by which living things produce same of their own kind. Reproduction is a process by which living things produce same of their own kind. Define occupation. Occupation is a work done to earn money. Occupation is a work done to earn money. Occupation is a work done to earn money. Yes. Now I rub this and write the fifth question answer here, children. Why do animals live in groups? Why do animals live in groups? Why do animals live in groups? Animals live in groups. Animals live in groups. Animals live in groups. First one is search of food. Search of food. To raise their own kind. To raise their young ones, to raise their young ones, and to protect themselves from enemies. To protect themselves from enemies. Why do animals live in groups, children? Animals live in groups in search of food. Yes, search of food to raise their Jupiter. 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 Saturn. 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 Uranus. 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 Neptune. Neptune. And Pluto. 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 Yes, children. Come on, copy the next page, children. Draw the structure of tooth diagram, children. See, if you have textbooks, see in page number 136, children. 136, you have structure of tooth diagram. If you don't have textbooks, one drawing, you draw in the same way. Okay? See, here you have a diagram here. Can you see it? You have a diagram here. This diagram you have to draw. Like this you draw, children. You put all the dots here. Like this dots you put. You put all the dots here. And write the names, children. This white coating is enamel. The first layer is enamel. The second layer is dentine. The second one is dentine. And the third one, inside the dentine, this is pulp. P-U-L-P, pulp. Yes, the whole part from here to here, it is known as crown. C-R-O-W-N, crown. C-R-O-W-N, crown. C-R-O-W-N, crown. And the below, this part is known, all this part is known as root. Yes. You are going to write these 5 names today. Draw like this and write the 5 names. With this we have completed our EVS revision. Okay? With this we have completed our EVS revision. I want everybody to practice well. From Monday you have exams. Yes? The timings are also mentioned to you all. At what time you have to come. Girls have different time and boys have different time. Check the timings and come. Prepare well for your exam, children. Everybody wear the mask before you come to the school. Without mask you are not allowed to get into the school. Yes, so wear the mask. Dress up neatly. Yes, get your pencil, eraser, scale, sharpener, pad for the exam. Follow. All the best for your exams, children. Prepare well. Thank you. That's all for today.